Welcome to another video, everybody. We ended up with a second ski. My buddy wanted to join in on the party, so he sent me the money, and here we are. Nice, cheap 1995 Seadoo XP. Don't want to say how much we spent on it, just because I didn't pay for it. But yeah, here it is in all of its glory. The guy we bought it off of said that he thought it had seized, and he pulled the jet pump out of it, and the motor spun. So the motor turned over, but unfortunately the jet pump was no good. So he removed the jet pump and doesn't have anything as far as the jet pump is concerned. So we'll have to source another jet pump for a 95. So I took that tube out of there earlier because I'm filming one-handed. So I wanted to show you guys. I picked the best time to film, guys, right in a snowstorm. And right after another one, so our yard's a freaking wreck. But yeah, anyway, here's the engine. Pretty dirty in here, which is pretty normal for skis this old. You find them, a lot of them are under trees, which this one looks like it's been under something for a little while. It's certainly got all the junk in there. I haven't had a chance to clean it because it's been snowing and cold. But yeah, lots of dirt and junk in there. Old oil in there, which is not really a great sign, but we can figure that out. We can certainly going to put new grommets in the oil tank. And yeah, we put new spark plugs in it yesterday, which I'll post that video after this one, just because I didn't get a chance to make a video like this yet. So we were able to get it to start and run just by putting new plugs in it, and that's it. We put new plugs in it, I put the battery in it, it cranked right up. So engine runs, it runs super high, which you'll see in the video, which means it needs carb work. It definitely needs carb work, and I'm going to do them anyway because I don't know the condition of them. It does look like the fuel lines were done, so there's no gray lines anywhere. You can tell that oil filter down there is pretty old, so, or at least dirty. I'm not sure of the VTS gauge the VTS itself and any of the gauges. I just stuck the battery on there and fired it up and then turned it back off. And since it idled pretty high, I wanted to shut it down before any damage to the engine happened. And I forgot to check the gauges while I was there. And I also forgot to check the VTS. But I don't have a key either. I don't have a lanyard, so I have to get another one of those too because he didn't have one. But other than that, it has a title. And pretty much everything's here as far as getting it running. I just need to do all the PTO boot, the carrier bearing, and then drive shaft and jet pump. Pretty much. Pretty easy to do. So that's where we're at on this project. It runs. It runs. The other one's doing great. It doesn't need a whole lot left. Yeah, I just need to get the decals and all put on it, and registration, and yeah, get the jet pump put into it, actually. So there's a few parts and things left to do on it, but nowhere near the same amount that this is going to require, but it won't be that much. It won't be much. But yeah, just wanted to come on here and show everybody this ski because it's going to be on the channel as well. So you'll see a lot of cleaning and updates to this one, just kind of like I did with the other one. And then, yeah, this one's going to get completely stripped just like the other one. And then all new decals are going to go on here. My buddy Isaiah, he said he's going to go ahead and do the buffing for us like he did on the other one. So this will look brand new. And then eventually we got to look for another one for my son Marky. And then, yeah, we should be on the water. And then, Noah, are you going to get one eventually, you think?
I'm probably just going to get a boat.
He just wants a boat. He's not big on the jet ski stuff yet. Not yet. I think if we get him on the jet ski for a couple of rides, he'll be into it.
Okay. Yeah,
We'll see how you feel.
I'm gonna probably ride on this one because this one's slower than that one.
Yeah, that one will probably that one will rip your arms off.
Yeah. I wouldn't even be on the jet ski once you hit the gas pedal. I would just be.
That's hilarious. All right, well that's all for this project so far.
Go check out one of the racing videos.
He wants you guys to check out all of the Club Milton videos of him. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And my sister.
And Lainey. Those all the onboards are coming up real soon. So anyone who's waiting around for those videos, thanks for sticking around and watching all of our videos through the race season. That's pretty awesome to see a lot of the comments and stuff. But yeah, we're going to take off here. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you later.